You asked, how to divide 1280 by 5 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. 12 minus 10 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 28 minus 25 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 256.